how to change your birthday on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change your birthday on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you would like to change your birthday on Facebook, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Facebook application and log into the account on which you want to change the birthday. Changing your birthday simply means it will also change your age. So in order to do this, let me just go ahead and first of all enter my password here, and after I log in, tap the three lines option from the top right, then tap the gear icon to come to settings and privacy. From here just go to the option called account center, and when you go to the option called account center, you'll find one option here known as personal details. So tap on personal details, and here you'll find date of birth. Tap on date of birth and just make sure to change it to the one that you like. So select your Facebook account or just tap the edit button here, and once done, enter the new date of birth, tap on save, and your birthday will get successfully changed. This way you can change your birthday on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.